Welcome to Motorsports Mania, the channel where passion for cars, technology, and performance comes together to bring you in-depth reviews and detailed insights about the most exciting vehicles on the road and those that are about to arrive. From timeless legends to futuristic models, we explore them all. Today we are looking at a car that carries a rich legacy in Toyota's history and has been reborn for the modern age, the 2026 Toyota Cressida. Known in the past as a premium sedan with comfort, refinement, and smooth driving, the Cressida is returning after decades with a completely new identity that merges luxury, advanced technology, and performance in a way that places it firmly in the premium sedan segment once again. The 2026 Toyota Cressida brings back a nameplate that was once Toyota's flagship before the Lexus brand emerged. This time Toyota is reviving it as a global sedan that blends elegance, futuristic design, and cutting-edge features to challenge both mainstream and luxury competitors. From the first look, the exterior styling is bold and sophisticated, with sleek lines and a strong presence that communicates modern luxury. At the front, a large grille inspired by Toyota's latest design philosophy dominates the fascia, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights that create a sharp and dynamic expression. The bumper is aerodynamically sculpted with functional air intakes, emphasizing both style and performance. Moving to the side, the long wheelbase of the new Cressida creates a stretched and elegant profile, reminding you that this car is built for comfort and presence. Chrome accents around the windows, flush door handles, and aerodynamic curves enhance the premium appeal. The wheels are large, multi-spoke alloys available in sizes up to 20 inches, giving the sedan a commanding stance. At the rear, the design continues the theme of sophistication with full-width LED taillights connected by an illuminated bar, a subtle lip spoiler, and dual exhaust outlets integrated neatly into the bumper. The entire exterior design blends executive-class luxury with sporty undertones, ensuring that the Cressida stands out on city streets and highways alike. Under the hood, Toyota has taken a modern approach to performance and efficiency. The 2026 Cressida comes with multiple powertrain options, starting with a 2.5-liter hybrid 4-cylinder engine that delivers around 240 horsepower while maximizing fuel efficiency, perfect for those who want a balance of performance and eco-friendliness. For those who seek more power, there is a 3.5-liter V6 hybrid setup that produces around 350 horsepower, combining smooth acceleration with Toyota's reliable hybrid system technology. Rumors also point to a plug-in hybrid variant with extended electric-only range for urban commuting, aligning the Cressida with the latest environmental standards. All engines are paired with an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission that delivers seamless shifts and contributes to a refined driving experience. The car is built on Toyota's TNGAL platform, which is also used for Lexus sedans, ensuring rigidity, low center of gravity, and excellent ride quality. The suspension setup combines adaptive dampers with electronic control, allowing the Cressida to deliver both comfort in daily driving and sharper handling when needed. The steering is precise, offering confidence to the driver, while the available all-wheel drive system ensures traction and stability across varying conditions. Noise insulation, vibration control, and aerodynamic tuning all contribute to a whisper-quiet cabin and smooth driving experience, further highlighting its premium character. Step inside and the 2026 Toyota Cressida welcomes you into a cabin designed with elegance, technology, and comfort at the forefront. The interior is spacious, making full use of its long wheelbase to offer excellent legroom and headroom for all passengers. Premium materials such as Nappa leather, real wood trims, brushed aluminum, and ambient LED lighting create a luxurious atmosphere. The dashboard is dominated by a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, paired with a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster and an optional head-up display, giving drivers all the information they need in an intuitive and modern way. The infotainment system runs Toyota's latest software, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in navigation, and over-the-air updates. The front seats are designed for ultimate comfort with power adjustments, heating, ventilation, and massage functions available. Rear passengers enjoy executive-class treatment with reclining seats, climate control zones, sunshades, and entertainment screens in higher trims. The panoramic sunroof adds openness and light to the cabin, enhancing the luxury experience. Cargo space is generous, and smart storage solutions make the Cressida practical as well as premium. Technology plays a huge role in the new Cressida. The car comes with advanced connectivity options, including wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and premium sound systems developed in collaboration with JBL, offering immersive audio quality. The ambient lighting is customizable, allowing passengers to set the mood for every journey. Voice assistant technology powered by artificial intelligence enables hands-free control over navigation, media, and climate, while smart key features allow remote access and control via smartphone apps. Safety, as expected from Toyota, is a strong point. The 2026 Cressida comes equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, and advanced parking assistance. A 360-degree camera system and autonomous driving features like highway pilot mode further enhance convenience and peace of mind. Structural integrity is enhanced by the use of high-strength steel and aluminum, ensuring top safety ratings across global standards. Driving the 2026 Toyota Cressida is designed to be a blend of relaxation and engagement. In hybrid mode, it glides smoothly with minimal noise, offering exceptional efficiency. In sport modes, the engine and electric motors combine to deliver strong acceleration, reminding you that luxury does not come at the cost of performance. The adaptive suspension changes its behavior based on driving mode, ensuring both comfort and sharp handling when desired. This dual character makes the Cressida versatile, suitable for executives, families, and enthusiasts alike. One of the biggest appeals of the new Cressida is its positioning. Toyota has created a sedan that bridges the gap between its mainstream lineup and Lexus luxury models, giving buyers an option for premium comfort and performance without stepping into full luxury pricing. Competing with cars like the Nissan Maxima, Hyundai Grandeur, and even some entry-level German luxury sedans, the Cressida aims to stand out with its mix of heritage, Toyota reliability, and modern features. The legacy of the Cressida plays an important role in its revival. Once known as the car that introduced many buyers to Toyota's premium experience, the modern version carries the torch into the future. It is not just a car but a statement from Toyota that sedans still have a place in a sub-dominated market, especially when they deliver style, technology, and driving pleasure. The 2026 Toyota Cressida shows how tradition and innovation can coexist, creating a vehicle that honors the past while embracing the future. The 2026 Toyota Cressida is a rebirth done right. It combines elegant design, advanced hybrid powertrains, a luxurious interior, cutting-edge technology, and Toyota's legendary reliability into one complete package. It is a car that appeals to both nostalgia and modernity, making it a strong contender in its segment. For buyers who want something different from the sea of SUVs but still crave comfort, performance, and sophistication, the Cressida is an ideal choice. This has been Motorsports Mania, your trusted place for automotive reviews and deep insights into the cars that matter. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Toyota Cressida and want to stay updated on more reviews, features, and upcoming automotive icons, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more exciting content as we continue to explore the machines that move our world.